Hello, I'm Gerald Gordy and I'm from Edmonton, Alberta in Canada. 40 years ago I had a stroke that affected me when I was 17 years old, and at that time it affected the entire left side of my body, and at that time I developed the foot drop. And it affected me to the point that I had to learn how to walk again and deal with the effects of a stroke. The biggest challenge was walking, and just everyday walking, such a matter of walking a couple of blocks to the local grocery store, and dealing with the pain in my left ankle, in my left knee, in my left hip, and in my back area, which resulted from the contorted way that a person with a stroke would walk, called the stroke gait. And those were the big challenges that I had to deal with. I've been using Walkaid for about a year now, and the first time I tried it, it had an immediate good effect where it improved the flexion of my foot. It raised my foot so I did not have to deal with drop foot as much, and over the time that I've been using it, I've found that also the pain in my ankle, knee, hip, and back has diminished, and I've found that my walking has improved greatly. And it's a pleasure to walk now, it's not a pain. The biggest improvement is it allows me to walk much more comfortably. It allows me to plant my foot in a much more solid and stable fashion on the ground or on the floor, and I feel more comfortable and more secure with my walking. And also it allows me to be able to get more wear out of my shoes. I get the pain out of my body. But the basic thing is it allows me to walk a lot more comfortably, where before, walking, for example, to the grocery store 2 or 3 blocks was a pain and a problem. Now it's no problem at all. I just put on the Walkaid and away I go. It's been tremendous to my family. My wife is just pleased as ever, because before we couldn't walk side by side because on the right side I've got the cane, on my left side my left leg would swing out in the typical stroke gait, so I would strike her. And now with the Walkaid I'm beginning to develop a more normal stride and walk, and we're able to walk side by side, and that's wonderful.
The first time Gerald tried the Walkaid was an incredible experience to witness. He arrived stumbling and having pain and with an awkward gait, and after trying the Walkaid, he immediately started walking better. And that improvement has continued to develop as he's used it for longer periods of time. And he's now noticing that he can go for a day or two without wearing it upon occasion and still have a residual benefit from it. So we know that things are still changing for him, and there's still room for improvement, and he is continuing to improve.
It improved my gait, it improved my stability in walking, and it had a marked reduction in the amount of pain I have in my left side and in my left leg. And I would tell them that it's just basically just made walking a lot easier and a lot more enjoyable. And it's improved my quality of life, definitely.